Apparently the person wanted this smile on this photo. Now, in effect, that's relatively straightforward. It depends on a few things, but the easiest way is you can't take just the smile because you need this here. So the easiest way is to come in about here, cut just under the eye, collect a bit of hair, go right round the hair, come off the point there, up and around. Hey presto, change to the move tool, drag to the other image, zoom in a bit. It's easier, it's better to have more than you need. Shift it roughly into position, change the opacity so I can see the thing underneath. Transform tool. Yes, we're not perfect down here, but what I'm looking at here is that bit there coming down here. There's a point in there. So when I bring the opacity back up, we've got an almost perfect. It comes apart a little bit down here. So the easiest way to do that is to chuck a mask on, get my brush, change to black, and there's a bit of a color difference with the guy here, but this is a pretty rough and ready sort of get it. But by doing a feathered brush, being a little bit more careful than I was just then, you can blend it in without it really looking too obvious. Unless you're going backwards and forwards between the two, you're pretty hard pressed to spot what's going on here. At normal size, you wouldn't notice the fact that right in here his skin is a little bit darker, but you get the desired result. Hey presto, it's done.